Your F250 deserves better than an exposed truck bed. Whether you're hauling expensive tools to the job site or protecting your gear from brutal weather, the right tonneau cover can save you thousands in stolen or damaged cargo. But here's the problem. Picking the wrong one means wasted money and constant frustration. Today, I'm breaking down the 5 best tonneau covers that actually deliver for F250 owners, and I'll tell you exactly which one fits your needs. Let's dive in. Number 1. BAKFlip MX4 Hard Folding Tonneau Cover. Starting strong with the BAKFlip MX4, the cover that's practically become the gold standard for F250 owners who refuse to compromise. This isn't just another aluminum cover trying to look tough. The Generation 3 design packs a 22% strength increase over the original, featuring heavy-duty aluminum panels with high-density polymer cores that can handle up to 400 pounds of evenly distributed weight. What sets the MX4 apart? Its 4-panel folding system. Need full bed access? It folds completely against the cab. Hauling something tall? Fold just the rear panels. The weather sealing system keeps everything bone dry, and the matte finish resists scratches better than glossy alternatives. Installation takes about 30 minutes with basic tools, no drilling required. The clamp-on design means your truck's warranty stays intact, and if you ever trade up, removal is just as simple. Here's the honest downside. At around $1,200, it's definitely an investment. Some budget-conscious buyers might experience sticker shock, but when you break down the cost over years of reliable service, the math works out. Check the current pricing and availability in the description below. Number 2. RetraxPRO MX Retractable Cover. If you want the ultimate in convenience without sacrificing security, the RetraxPRO MX delivers something special. This retractable cover operates on precision ball bearings, sliding open and closed smoother than most car windows. The industrial-strength aluminum slats lock at any position, giving you infinite adjustment options. The real game changer? The 500-pound load capacity. That's 100 pounds more than most folding covers. Need to throw a cooler or toolbox on top? No problem. The rack compatibility makes this perfect for contractors who run ladder racks or cargo systems. What impresses me most is the low-profile design. When closed, it sits nearly flush with your truck's roofline, improving aerodynamics and giving your F250 a clean, finished appearance that turns heads. The potential drawback? The track system requires more maintenance than folding covers, especially if you frequently drive in dusty conditions. A monthly cleaning keeps everything operating smoothly, but it's an extra step some owners prefer to avoid. Still, for the convenience factor, most users find it worthwhile. Number 3. TruXedo TruXport Soft Roll-Up Cover. Sometimes simple solutions work best, and the TruXedo TruXport proves this point beautifully. This soft roll-up cover might not have the premium materials of our top picks, but it excels where it counts: practicality and value. The dual-position design lets you roll it halfway back for longer items or completely forward when you need full bed access. The MaxSeal Pale Seal system keeps weather out better than you'd expect from a soft cover, and the clamp-on installation literally takes 10 minutes. For F250 owners who need frequent, unrestricted bed access, think landscapers, contractors, or weekend warriors loading ATVs, this cover makes perfect sense. At roughly a third the cost of premium hardcovers, it delivers solid protection without breaking the bank. The trade-off is obvious. Security isn't as robust as hardcovers. While it'll deter casual theft and keep honest people honest, determined thieves with a knife can get through. For many owners storing tools or expensive equipment, this limitation rules out soft covers entirely. Number 4. Perfit Liner Hard 3-Fold Cover. Here's a cover that's been flying under the radar, but deserves serious attention. The Perfit Liner Hard 3-Fold combines premium materials with an affordable price point that makes other manufacturers nervous. The fiberglass reinforced polymer honeycomb panels create an incredibly strong yet lightweight structure. The standout feature? The exceptional 500-pound load capacity, matching covers costing twice as much. The three-panel design provides excellent bed access while maintaining structural integrity. The marine-grade seals keep everything watertight, and the powder-coated finish resists fading and scratching. What really impresses is the universal compatibility across F250, F350, and F450 models. If you're planning to upgrade trucks down the road, this cover likely transfers over, protecting your investment. The potential concern is brand recognition. While the quality rivals established names, some buyers feel more comfortable with well-known brands for resale value and warranty support. However, the one-year warranty provides decent peace of mind, and the substantial cost savings often outweigh brand concerns. Number 5. Tyger Auto T3 Soft Threefold Cover. Rounding out our list is the budget champion that proves you don't need to spend a fortune for decent protection. The Tyger Auto T3 Soft Threefold has earned its reputation through consistent performance and unbeatable value. The three-panel soft folding design provides reasonable weather protection and decent security for non-valuable items. Installation is genuinely foolproof. Even truck owners with zero mechanical experience can handle it in 15 minutes. The dual seal design keeps most weather out, though heavy driving rain might find its way through eventually. For F250 owners on tight budgets, or those wanting basic protection for recreational use, this cover hits the sweet spot. It's particularly popular with hunters and outdoor enthusiasts who primarily need to keep gear dry and organized. The main limitation is durability expectations. While it'll serve faithfully for several years with proper care, don't expect decade-long service like premium hardcovers. The soft materials can tear if snagged, and constant folding eventually wears the hinges. But at this price point, even replacing it every few years still costs less than one premium cover. Your F250's tonneau cover decision ultimately comes down to balancing your specific needs with your budget. Each of these 5 covers excels in different areas, so choose based on your priorities rather than just price alone.